In ship construction, the installation of electrical cable or cable pulling is an expensive, labor-intensive, and injury-prone operation. Therefore, even a slight process improvement could provide significant labor savings. The Navy Metalworking Center developed various tools to reduce cable friction points, manipulate and direct cables, and to decrease the overall effort required to pull and route cables. These tools and examples of how they may be used are demonstrated in the video that follows. The rollers with adjustable handle can be used to support and position cable in hard-to-reach instances during pulling operations, and can be used as a temporary slide to reduce cable friction during pulling. It can be used in corners to help bend and manipulate cables. The head can be pivoted up to 90 degrees in both directions in order to fit in hard-to-reach areas. The dual rollers can also be locked to allow the tool to function as a cable puller. The cable spoon can be used to wedge between large diameter cables in a bundle to free a specific cable during pulling operations. The tool can be made with various handle lengths. A cross hole allows the insertion of a screwdriver to generate increased torque. The hook-ended tools are used for fishing cables through areas having limited access. The tools have a telescoping design that can reach up to 12 feet in length. Custom-shaped hooks can be integrated into a commercially available handle or a more rigid custom handle. The low-friction end effectors are used to reduce friction contact points and for manipulating cables through areas having limited access. The tools can include a telescoping handle design and can be used to push cables over or around obstructions and to help initiate a bend. The semi-rigid sheet slides are constructed from low-friction UHMW material and can be placed anywhere there's a need to reduce the cable friction or pulling effort and potential damage to sheathing and the nearby components, such as ducts between cable layers, etc. Available in a variety of sizes, the slides have a handle and holes that can be used to zip tie or otherwise conveniently secure it to adjacent components. The hanger-mounted slides fasten to existing hangers in order to temporarily separate and position cables during grooming and routing. The UHMW material reduces the drag and effort required to pull cables. The hardware attaches to the hangers without the need for tools. Sometimes during the cable routing process, the crew will strap together two hangers to form a rectangle or box to assist with cable management. The clamp-on slide for box hanger tool provides a low-friction, temporary cable support in order to prevent cable drag on the lower hanger leg or other cables within the box hanger. The clamp-on roller tools can be clamped to nearby structure to temporarily support cables during the pulling process, to reduce friction, and to route or change cable direction. The hardware can be attached and adjusted without the use of tools. The rollers open to allow the cables to be pulled out from the side after routing is complete. The adjustable support bar can be placed between existing structure as a temporary attachment point for other cable routing tools and to support cables and other utilities. The hardware is adjustable without tools and can span a width from a minimum of 35 inches to a maximum of 60 inches. Various low-friction UHMW trim profiles fasten to typical combing and wireway openings to reduce pulling effort and potential for cable sheathing damage. The trim pieces are available in a variety of configurations and can be installed without the use of tools. The stuffing tube rollers tool is designed to clamp to the end of a stuffing tube to prevent cable drag and sheathing damage while pulling through bulkheads. The hardware clamps to the end of the pipe without the use of tools and are available for all size stuffing tubes. The cable reel dispenses cable for typical small to medium wire bundle sizes. It can also be used to pay out cable from large spools for handling and subsequent dispensing at other locations shipboard.